today we're going to show you how we're going to use the Blackbox agent inside VSCode to visit youtube.com and launch a video. The goal of it is to show you that you have browser and computer use directly inside your VSCode. This is just a demo to showcase how it would work, but you can use it to test the website while
functionalities. Like go through different UI testing functionalities of whatever you're going through.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
Yeah. So we're gonna tell it go to YouTube and search for SpaceX launch and open the first video. So we're gonna require the approval to proceed. So it just opened YouTube. And now it's going on to type the SpaceX. So it just did it, and we see the update. It's clicking on the search. So it's now waiting for the search, and it's gonna go ahead and click on the first video. And it identified that the first one is a sponsored video, so it's clicking on the actual video that is not an advertisement.
Let's watch a rocket launched from VSCode.
So it just said the video is now playing in your browser. So at this point, there's the ad that is on YouTube that takes about a few seconds, but it should be waiting for the skip ad.